Let's talk about probate, specifically in Florida. Now, I know what you're thinking. Probate. That sounds about as fun as a root canal. But hold on a minute, because I've got some tips and tricks that will make this whole process a little less painful. First of all, let's break down what probate is. Basically, it's the process of distributing the assets of a deceased person to their heirs. And in Florida, it can be a real doozy. But don't worry, I've got your back. One of the best things you can do to make this process a little easier is to sell the property you've inherited. And trust me, the last thing you want to do is try to navigate the legal and administrative aspects of probate on your own. That's like trying to fly a plane with no training. So why not bring in the pros? That's where Green Mountain Real Estate Group comes in. Our team of experts knows all the ins and outs of probate sales and can help you get the best possible outcome for your property. And the best part, you won't have to lift a finger. So why not let us help you turn a complicated and stressful situation into a smooth and seamless process? Because let's face it, there are enough challenges in life without having to worry about probate. So why not give us a call today and let us take the reins? And there you have it, folks, probate made easy. Who says real estate can't be a little bit fun? I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.